Help you? Please?
And they're all supposed to be good.
Because nothing says yes you can, nothing says the moment is right, like beaks and feathers.
How'd you get over there?
And Rotka. This stuff make you sick. After a shot of this, you get 100% baby every time.
What are you doing, wild man?
Right. They have a commercial, on American television. You still have an erection 4 days later. Please consult doctor. All the old guys. On the subway, it's a problem.
Are you a monkey?
Neither promised nor endorsed by this program. Around for everybody.
Are you a monkey? Do you need help?
Don't be a chicken.
Help! Help!
What's wrong? Are you stuck?
Sit down. Come on, do it.
Oh.
Time with cloudy roadkill particulate. I know. I'm in the mood. Surprise. Stuff